In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily adjust your notification settings in Basecamp using your desktop browser. Let's go through the process step by step so that by the end of this tutorial, you'll have full control over the notifications you receive. First things first, open your preferred desktop browser and navigate to the Basecamp website. Once you've reached the home page, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. Now, I know signing in is typical for any online service, but it's important to ensure that your login details are close at hand before getting started, as it can save you quite some time. Once you're successfully logged into your account, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice your avatar or profile picture. It should be a pretty small circle, usually with your picture or initials in it. This area is crucial for accessing many of your personal settings on Basecamp. Clicking on your avatar will reveal a drop-down menu. Now, with the menu in view, look for the option titled Change Your Notification Settings. This is the key step to accessing your notification preferences, allowing you to customize them to match your needs. Selecting this option will take you to the Notifications Settings screen. On the Notifications Settings screen, you'll find a variety of options that you can adjust. This setup is designed to give you the ability to personalize the types of notifications you receive from Basecamp. Whether you're looking to reduce the number of alerts because you're being bombarded with too many, or maybe you want to ensure you don't miss out on any critical updates, this screen is where you make those changes. Begin by taking a moment to review the current notification preferences listed. You might see options for receiving notifications via email on your desktop or perhaps even through mobile alerts. Depending on your personal work habits and the volume of messages you're dealing with, you can tweak these to suit your schedule. Perhaps you prefer to receive pop-up alerts on your desktop during work hours, but only email notifications in the evening. Or maybe you'd like Basecamp alerts to come to you immediately because you're working on a time-sensitive project. Make these choices based on what fits your workflow best. It's just that simple. And with these adjustments, you can streamline the flow of information and keep your work environment distraction-free yet fully informed. Remember, you can always come back to this settings screen and modify them as your projects or preferences change. Adjust, modify, and ensure that your notifications serve you rather than overwhelm you. Thanks for tuning in today. Enjoy your optimized Basecamp experience. That wraps up our tutorial on changing notification settings in Basecamp. Should you have any more questions, feel free to reach out, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.